What's up guys, Shane Stars here, and the Ecovacs X11 Omni Cyclone and X9 Pro Omni are two of the most powerful robot vacuums that I've tested this year. The X11 is Ecovac's newest flagship model and the only one of 2025 with GaN fast charging and a bagless OmniCyclone station. It normally sells for $1,499 but drops all the way down to $999.99 from November 20th through December 1st for Black Friday. The X9 Pro, which was named Best Overall Mid-Year Winner by Vacuum Wars, usually retails for $1299 but will be $699.99 starting November 10th through December 1st. So you're looking at about a $300 difference in the Black Friday window. In this video, I'll break down the differences between these two top of the line models, and we'll see if the X11 really earns that premium and which one makes more sense for you this holiday season. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the X11 OmniCyclone, Ecovac's most advanced robot vacuum to date. Right out of the gate, it features power boost fast charging, adding about 6% battery in just 3 minutes. In real world use, that means if it's cleaning a large home, it can quickly top off and get back to work without long downtime, which is a real game changer for big houses. It also packs a massive 19,500 Pascal of suction power, the strongest I've tested this year on an Ecovacs vacuum. It lifts embedded dirt from carpets and handles pet hair with ease. The new Osmo Roller 2.0 mopping system uses a continuous roller with active pressure and smart carpet recognition, automatically lifting the mop when it detects carpet so you won't get a wet mess on your rugs. TruePass 3D 2.0 navigation helps it move through tight spaces and climb up to 4cm obstacles, perfect for door thresholds and transitions in larger homes. Maintenance is simplified as well thanks to the Pure Cyclone bagless station, which separates air and dust to maintain suction power while eliminating the need for disposal bags. Finally, Zero Tangle 2.0 keeps the brush free from hair wrapping, and upgraded odor control in the base keeps your setup fresh between cleanings. Altogether, the X11 feels purpose-built for large homes and pet-heavy households, fast, powerful, and designed for truly hands-free cleaning. At its Black Friday price of $999.99, which is $500 off, it's easily one of the most capable flagship vacuums of 2025. Now let's talk about the X9 Pro Omni, selected as the best overall mid-year winner by Vacuum Wars. This one delivers true flagship performance with advanced roller mopping and intelligent dry-wet separation, now at its lowest price ever. The X9 isn't just a robot that mops, it's a robot that knows the difference between dust and spilled milk and handles both like a pro. Designed for real messes in American homes, the X9 tackles both a dry and wet waste with precision. It combines industry-leading vacuum power with blast suction technology and an anti-tangle brush, the best-in-class Osmo roller system for deep scrubbing, and auto edge-to-edge cleaning for spotless results. Its triple lift system shows next-level intelligence. When it detects liquid spills, the brushes retract to prevent contamination. When it rolls over carpet, the mop automatically lifts to keep it dry. And when it returns to hard floors, it drops back down to scrub with consistent pressure. Navigation is powered by AI-VI 3D vision, recognizing everyday obstacles like socks and cables, and it maps multiple rooms accurately for full home coverage. The auto washing and hot air drying dock also keep the roller mop clean and odor-free after every run. At its Black Friday price of $699.99, November 10th through December 1st, the X9 delivers top-tier cleaning intelligence, true dry-wet adaptability, and hands-free convenience, all for under $700. Every mess, every surface solved. So here's the bottom line. If you want the absolute best performance, fastest charging, and most intelligent AI navigation, especially if you have a large home with pets or multiple floors, go for the X11 OmniCyclone. It's Ecovac's most powerful robot yet and built for bigger spaces. If you're looking to save a few $100 and still get premium level cleaning and automation, the X9 Pro Omni is a fantastic deal at $699.99. Both are at their lowest prices of the year this Black Friday, so whichever you pick, you're getting flagship grade performance for less. Be sure to check the links below for the Black Friday pricing on each model. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.